Taking my sweet time, feels right, living in the moment, cause I know where I'm going, I'm taking my sweet time, each time. Sick and tired of seeing people always running in circles, chasing lies that never got on past the surface. What happened to our purpose? And don't believe the settling or what comes easy, there's courage. Don't let haters tell you that it's not worth it. Don't let them take your purpose. I'm taking my sweet time, feels right, living in the moment, cause I know where I'm going, I'm taking my sweet time, each time. I started seeing that the good life has 100 different faces. Talk to my future on a first name basis, cause life is what you make it. Now I'm realizing that everything I face and set the stage. I know who I am and I don't need to fake it, cause I already made it. Taking my sweet time, feels right. I know I can be unkind, but you're not always understanding. I like to take my time. The time is what you're always chasing. I know I like to hide, but you're not always keen on seeking. You said you're up for the fight, but I would rather keep on pretending. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. But just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine, 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 make you mine. It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you make a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since last night. Do you feel the same, feel the same, feel the same, feel the same? Yeah, I feel like we could be so fine. We can fix it, it's gonna be alright. Do you feel me, baby? Baby, look in my eyes, into my heart. I know I'm everything you pray for, my love. I've been waiting too long to find in the one. I would do everything you ask of my love. Look in my eyes, I know we need time. I know I'm everything you pray for, my love. I've been waiting too long to find in the one. I would do everything you ask of my love. Yeah, we were kids, baby, the time